Well, hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Dainty Gifts School of Decor and Decoupage. Today I have a workshop announcement video for you. Today I would like to invite you to my Venetian mask workshop. It's a very exciting one. I've been wanting to make a mask that is kind of very, represents the Venetian style and everything, and I finally did it. And I am super excited to be able to share it with you guys and to be able to teach the techniques that I used in this mask. In this workshop you will learn how to even out the surface of the mask. So let me show you the what it looks like before I did anything to you. So this is the shape of the mask. It's made out of paper mache, so it's a little bit uneven. So if you just paint directly over it, as you can see there's like little lines from paper and stuff, so if you just paint straight over it, you will still be able to see all of these lines, and you're not going to get as nice of a look. So in this workshop I'm going to teach you how to fix it, how to make the surface really smooth and even. I will also show you and teach you how to make special clay that I used for this mask. So as you guys know, I often use things like contour liners and liquid pearls and stuff like that for decorative lines. This is a very different technique, so the product that we use for this is homemade. We can make it ourselves out of things that you can easily find in your local shop. The product that we use for these lines is very strong and very pliable, and it allows you to create these like really smooth, intricate designs. We're gonna make it ourselves, so it's not something that you need to buy necessarily. You're gonna have to buy ingredients for it to be able to make it, but once you've bought the ingredients you can then, keep making it and stuff. And of course, once you've learned how to do it, then the sky's the limit. You can go on and start creating your own designs and implement it on all different surfaces. You will learn how to of course, create the design itself. So I'm going to show you in detail how to replicate the design that I made here. I will teach you how to age your work to give it a more vintage look, and we're also going to have a look at gilding with liquid metals. So there's a lot of different techniques. It's going to be a very kind of more involved workshop. This workshop is going to be held in a private group on Facebook. To access the group you need to purchase the pass for the workshop, and then once you've purchased the pass you can download the file with the list of the things that you're going to need, as well as the link to the secret Facebook group that the workshop is going to be happening in. The workshop itself is going to be a live event that I'm going to do over, I think, 3 days, 3 evenings rather. So we're going to start on the 20th of January at 8:30 p.m. UK time, and it's going to be the same 8:30 p.m. UK time on the 21st and the 22nd of January as well. However, if you can't be present for the live streams that I'm going to be doing, that's not a problem. All of the videos that I'm going to do are going to be saved in that group, and you can come back and re-watch them whenever it is convenient for you. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to say today, guys. If you would like to sign up for this workshop to make this wonderful Venetian mask, then make sure to click the first link in the description of this video, or go to my website www.dainty-gifts.com and then choose workshops from there. It's gonna take you to the same place. And yeah, I am very excited to see all of you guys that want to take part in the workshop. I am very excited to make another one of these amazing masks. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!